committee, ng controversial committee on rules. But I'm happy to announce that we have acted on all the dockets, no? All the 9 cases or the complaints filed, no? Yung mga 9 dockets that were filed, complaints against colleagues in the committee. So ito lang, to summarize, para lang hindi ako malito, no? 4 complaints were dismissed, considered frivolous, no? Ito na, ni-review na ito ng committee for several weeks and dismissed today. And 3 complaints were deferred action for further study kasi yung ibang response nakukuha lang today. So by next meeting, probably we will already dispose of the 3 deferred complaints. In 2 dockets, need response na lang from government agencies to assist in the committee in disposing of the complaints. So at least gumagalaw na po, no? 4 complaints dismissed, 3 deferred, and 2 are responding from government agencies. Yung mga resolution na to assist the committee in disposing of the complaints.
May we know ano po yung reason for the dismissal?
Frivolous, as I mentioned earlier before, most are not compliant with form and substance. So the complainants have the option to refile, this time according to form and substance. Kung susundin talaga natin ang rules, legal process, pag talagang it's not according to form and substance, automatic dismiss. But again, we will return to the complainants and they have the option to refile and then this time complying with form and substance.
So kasama sa na-dismiss yung complaint against you for not acting daw on the
I
complaint
guess we
against
have,
Senator Escudero?
yes, it was chaired by Senator Pangilinan. I inhibited for a while and stepped out of the room. It was Senator Pangilinan who chaired, and since there are already actions being taken by the committee, so it was voted by committee members to dismiss dismiss the complaint.
Sir, kanino yung mga na-dismiss na complaint? So, yung sa'yo, tapos ang sino pa yung tatlo?
Siguro ano na lang yan,
Hindi na
hindi na natin ipapublish kasi dismiss naman, frivolous eh, kasi pagpepiesta lang eh. No? I hope we can respect. Since most were frivolous and not according, kung talagang serious, di magre-refile. Ang hirap naman isabihin kung kung frivolous naman yung talaga yung complaint to begin with.
Sir, sino lang yung deferred action? Tsaka yung iba pa?
It's confidential eh, no? Actually, yun ang napag-usapan namin sa committee. That it will remain confidential. But I guess most of you have already an idea. Alam niyo naman kung sila yung mga may complaint. So we will just rule on it on the next meeting. So at least malapit na matapos halos lahat.
Sir, natake ba yung suggestion ni SB dun sa...
The committee already acted on it. The committee already asked Senator De La Rosa to comment on the proposal to amend the rules. No? So inaantay lang ng committee yung response from Senator De La Rosa because there's from the public because of the issues. There is a proposal to amend the rules of the Senate already on absenteeism. So inaantay na the committee already acted on it by asking Senator De La Rosa to comment regarding this proposal to amend the rules.
So, sabi kasi ni Sen. SB, ang isa-suggest niya is for you to write Senator De La Rosa parang show cause,
Yun na po.
pagpaliwanagin siya why
We have already, the committee, wala ho sa namin yung show cause. The committee already acted by requesting Senator De La Rosa to comment already on the proposal to amend the rules.
Saan yun? To amend the rules na para meron na kayong no work, no pay?
Yes.
Aha.
Sa Senate rules yan. As I mentioned before, yun yung dilemma ko noon eh. Na hindi ako, we cannot act on it because we have to have the plenary and the plenary have to be on session. The Senate as a body has to amend the rules.
So, hindi pa po ito paghingi ng sagot ni Senator De La Rosa sa specific ethics complaint against him?
We have the Ethics Committee already asked Senator De La Rosa to comment on the proposal to amend the rules kasi it concerns the complaint against him also. So,
But not on the
covered
specific...
na rin yun. Covered na rin yun. Covered na yun.
naka-respond na po si Senator?
Wala pa eh. So, I'm still waiting. Ako naman as a colleague also. Sana, siguro just to be fair also, maganda naman na sana isakripisyo na lang yung allowance and yung salary specifically kasi yun nga sabi ordinary no work no pay, so it has to apply to all. Kaya lang, yun nga, I already mentioned earlier that the ethics committee already acted by requesting him to respond on the proposal to amend.
So,